Good morning, everyone. Dr. Vicky here with Charlie. Speaking to you from the Seeds of Transformation Healing Center. It is Saturday, the 18th of October. No King's Day. Moon's in Virgo. Moon's in Virgo. We actually have a lovely trine of Mars, which is in Scorpio, to the north node of the moon. The north node of the moon is in Pisces. The north node points in the direction of our common evolution, our common destiny. And our common destiny is in Pisces. What's Pisces about? Unity, consciousness, actually. Compassion, imagination. And we also have tonight an opposition between the moon and Saturn. And then we have the moon shifting into Libra tomorrow. And that's pretty much starting the dark of the moon, because we have a new moon in Libra, actually the 28th degree of Libra. So I think that's on the 21st. So we have time for that. We'll be doing a Moon Shadows episode for that new moon. We'll be doing that on this channel. And tonight on this channel, we have Mystic Sisters Live. No kings, all queens. Mystic Sisters Live. That's what I'm calling it. Look, our little rose is still here. It is, it smells, let me see if I can do this without poking myself. Excuse me a second. Oh, smells fantastic. This is a very hardy rose. In fact, last year, this was the last rose, right around the time we had it out, actually right around the time that we had the election. So it's a hardy plant. So it's a good day to get together with others of like mind, actually. The Virgo moon makes people more careful than not. And I'm really interested to see just how big this No Kings is going to be, with all the effort that the administration is putting in to scare us and tell us that we're un-American for standing up for our rights to speak our minds. I think they got a flip script there, guys. And in honor of my uncles who went to war, the big WW2, my father, who was a veteran of WW2, I stand on the shoulders of my ancestors. We are all Antifa, or anti-Tifa, as I've seen in some blurbs and some things. But be careful out there if you do choose to go. And if you feel like that's not something you can do right now, do what you can. Hold the energy, hold peace in your heart, and hold the space for those who are. Now, I'm supposed to be going with my girlfriends to a local No Kings. So chances are not a whole lot of stuff, not a whole lot of terrible things are likely to happen. But for those of you who do live in places where it's more likely to happen, just be extra careful. All right, guys, take care. And of course, the moon's in Virgo, so likely you're going to be anyway. All right. Take care, everyone. Have a great day. I'll see you tonight on Mystic Sisters Live on this channel with Ona, and we'll talk about our experiences. Of course, she lives in the belly of the beast, Chicago, the war zone that is Chicago. Should see if I could get somebody who lives in Portland to come on as well. I'll see what I can do. I do have some friends there. All right, guys, take care. Have a great day. Much love. Be careful out there. Namaste.